Welcome to Module 1, Accessing NeuralSeek. This will take about 5 minutes for beginners even. To begin, we are going to be logging into IBM Cloud to locate the instance of NeuralSeek which is pre-configured for the purpose of this lab. So, logging into IBM Cloud and locating NeuralSeek. Visit cloud.ibm.com using your browser. Enter your IBM ID and password. Once logged in, make sure the cloud environment is 2588523 Project Spring Prospecting, which is shown on the top right section of the page. Click on the icon on the top left corner that has 4 horizontal lines. Select Resource List. Expand the resource section AI/Machine Learning by clicking the down arrow icon. Locate an instance of NeuralSeek Hands-on Lab in the list. Click it. Click Launch NeuralSeek button. Congratulations! You're now ready to use NeuralSeek and start the lab. Note, if you do not have access to the above IBM Cloud environment, please reach out to your contact in NeuralSeek to gain access to it.